Legends of Rock. We all have our favorite bands, and some legends of rock for different people are the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, maybe Led Zeppelin, Nirvana, Prince, Queen, take your pick. But if that's down your alley, then you're in the right place. And these are just some of the rock legends that are making their way to Web3. That means you can now win rare photos and other memorabilia NFTs. And by the way, this is the first and only NFT collection licensed by these famous rock bands. And there are a lot of possibilities here. So we're talking about things like, for instance, original Led Zeppelin tickets, Jimi Hendrix memorabilia. In this video, we cover a phenomenal new crypto project, Legends of Rock. Welcome guys to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck as always if you choose to invest, but this video is not financial or investment advice. So what is this project that I'm describing here? Information, by the way, can be found in the description of this video, links and that kind of thing. But Legends of Rock has a photo archive featuring thousands of iconic rock legends, and the company behind this is called Mad World. For those of you that either remember or are fans of the 60s and the 70s music scene, maybe you were part of it, maybe you came to adore it afterwards, maybe it was before your time, that's all good. But big stadiums, long hair, good vibes. Now you can bring back those days with this incredible photo collection. And by the way, all the bands sanction the sale of these pictures. This is official stuff. And the first campaign is about to hit the market, which means that 1,000 original vintage photo NFTs are up for grabs. And you can redeem these NFTs for the real deal, meaning that you can receive the original slide, if that's something that interests you, for the diehard fans out there. And that's just for starters. There are many more campaigns to follow. They haven't been announced just yet, but it's not too hard to guess which bands, which artists they're going to be rolling out based on the genre that this brand is all about. And the value, by the way, of these physical slides are more than just sentimental. They can easily and regularly sell for as much as $5,000 in traditional markets. Something else that's pretty cool here is that it's all fully licensed by Globe Photos and relevant estates. Like I said, it's official. And Mad World that I mentioned a moment ago, they have a partnership with Globe Entertainment. They have 10 archives with 20 million officially licensed slides. And these range from vintage Hollywood to classic rock and roll images. And the Legends of Rock is just one part of Globe's massive collection. So they have some of the most iconic vintage slides. Think 60s, 70s, even early 80s. And that means you're going to find a slide from at least one of your classic favorite bands from that time. Really some of the biggest bands in the world. So we're literally talking about owning something like a Freddie Mercury image, not only that nobody else owns, but that nobody else has ever seen. And it sounds pretty good. Play a game, win, and get a collector's item. So imagine getting one maybe of Queen, Bruce Springsteen, Green Day, U2, a lot of other bands as well. So if this is of interest to you, you can sign up here. Again, I'll include the link in the description of the video, but once you register and you follow their Twitter account, you can win some great items. Just a few examples include things like rare Rolling Stones prints, Jimi Hendrix memorabilia, and like I mentioned earlier, real Led Zeppelin concert tickets worth $300. As far as how it all works, to get in on the action and have a chance at winning a one-of-a-kind NFT, players first need to purchase MAD, M-A-D game cards that are loaded with game plays. These game plays are then used in the Rockbox game. This is where players can spin to win the ultimate prize, which is an original one-of-one NFT featuring iconic rock and roll legends. But whether or not you win the grand prize, what's nice is that every player still gets a Community Pass NFT. And the more you play, the higher you level up the Community Pass NFT, which increases your chances to win an authentic slide. It's an awesome concept. Right now you can sign up for their waitlist. And by the way, don't forget that you can also win all those extra prizes. But in addition, Legends of Rock will also provide rewards to players who frequently play and upgrade to the highest levels of the Community Pass NFT. And the way it works is that rewards will be prioritized to those players who collect the most original NFTs. It's a great concept, guys. It's really the convergence of collectibles, music, blockchain, cryptocurrency. Once again, check it out. All the links can be found in the description of this video.